Kayo bibidyoan ko.
Pwede. Baka maging ano ako nun.
Dolor.
Maging action star ako nun.
First personal foul. Panis Rumide. No good rebound by Dumdum. Ay Dolor. Makaraya. Easy 2 points.
6 po, favor of na balita.
Aliyo. Dolor. No good rebound by Done. 2 points.
8-6, favor of Billings.
8-6 in favor of Billings. Rebound by Ladera. Ladera. Power move.
Right.
Makaraya to Dolor. Dolor. Pick by Insan. Steal by Lim. Lim. Goes over. Lim to Mike. Foul. Who's foul left? Dumdum. First personal foul.
Team foul.
Third team foul.
Kaya bet. Ikaw. 26. Ano ka magsabi?
No good. Yung mga nasa gilid po, pakialam po dyan. Yung nasa gilid po.
Wala po kayo naririnig ah. Walang naririnig yung dalawa eh.
Rebound by Ladera. No good, rebound ulit. Rebound by Pani. Pass to Sun. Traveling violation. Sampagita ball. Pass to Dumdum. Dumdum, dribbling. Crossover move. Shot. No good. Rebound by Lim. Lim. 2 points. 6-12 in favor of Team Villains. Foul, Ladera.
Second personal
foul.
Team foul.
Second team foul. Dolor, Brunard. It's game. 2 points for Dolor. Aliyo pa, Tulin. Ladera. No goal rebound by Makaraya. Makaraya pa to Dolor. Dolor. To Dumdum. No good. Rebound by Lim. Traveling. 6 minutes and 27 seconds remaining. Pani.
First
personal foul.
Team foul.
Third team foul. Dumdum pass to Dolor. Dolor Brumide. It's in. Aliyo pass to Pani. To Lim. Easy 2 points. Apat ang kalamangan ng Team Villains. 14-10. Dolor pass to Asteo. 2 point lead by Villains. Pass to Lim. Panis Brumide. Pinoy step. Randa ulit. Dumdum. No goal rebound by Panis. Susan. Foul. Aseo. Time out. Team Sampagita. Aseo first one. Tulin.
11.
Bautista. Tumira. No good rebound by Haboli. Haboli naghanang babasa. Pass to Bilbao. Wide open shot. It's good. 2 points play. Bilbao.
Ikaw, King.
Bilbao pakituyo.
King. Sino tumirang dos?
TV Lens. Back to Bautista. To Paris. Ganda ng cut. 2 points by Escobar. Bilbao top. Pass to Haboli. Haboli. Same ball.
Join. Uy! Sira naman.
Bilbao to Dolor. Almarines shot. 2 points. 18-16. 2 points lead by Vinay. Panis still by Bilbao. It's Deja on 18. Escobar. Still by Bilbao. No good. 2 points by Dolor. Cape Sabor lamang na ang team sa Pagita. 20-18. Rebound by Bilbao. Out of bounds. Vinix ball. Escobar rebound the ball. Pass to Lim. Lim to Bautista. Wide open shot. No good. Rebound by Panis. Foul. Almarines.
Penalty na yan ah. Almaris first personal foul.
Almarines first personal foul.
Sa Pagita, penalty.
Sa Pagita, penalty. It's in. Last throw.
Ayun, nakabudo na yung tapos ito. Last row na yun.
Last throw.
Sa'yo rin yun. It's in, 12.
2 out of 2.
Deadlock, all 20.
Deadlock all 20.
In favor of
4 minutes and 7 seconds remaining. Almarines to Haboli. Blocked by Panis. Nakuha ni Bilbao. Bilbao. Pass to Almarines.
sa'yo rin yun. Oo, sa'yo rin yan.
Rebound by Panis. Pass to Lee. No good. Out of bounds. White ball. Sampagita. Aseo, no good. Rebound by Bilbao. Pass to Aseo. Wide open shot. No good. Rebound by Almarines. Step back. No good. Rebound by Panis. Kick by Almarines. Pass to Lee. Euro step. No good. Rebound by Aboli. Foul.
Tutok mo muna sa amin.
No good.
It's a deadlock, favor of ano. Parehas lamang. Ay po, tingnan nyo.
Last throw ready to jump. No good. Rebound by Bilbao. Naghahanap ng papasakan. Kick by Lee. Save ball. Inbound the ball by Bilbao. Pass to Almarines. Almarines dribbling. Luwag sa gitna. Kaya Almarines ka ng kick by Lee. Save ball.
Hindi pala talaga yung ganito yun, no?
Bilbao. Pass to Almarines.
Pumasok mo lang natin, okay na.
Almarines to Aseo.
Sinasabi?
Aseo. Post up move. No good. Rebound by Bautista. Healing ball. Six by Bilbao. Same ball. Panis to Lim. Lim, wide open shot. No good. Rebound by nobody.
Ito si EJ yung binangga niya, no? Ako dili, nag-dive ba?
Aselo.
Nilag sa 3 days ah.
Bilbao. No good. Rebound by Bilbao. Pass to Almarines. Tip by Escobar.
Mga bata, paano yung mga bata? Baka
Mga
matamaan.
bata dyan.
Atras kayo.
Almarines tumira ng press. No good. Rebound by Bautista. Bautista pick. Same ball. It's all 20. Pa din. Back to Escobar. Escobar. Almarines. Penalty.
Manis, second personal foul. Bago.
7 personal foul. Almarines.
Ano ito yun?
Time out. Ready to jump. Rebound by Escobar. Fake. To Lim. 3 seconds violation. Sampagita ball.
Time out eh.
Bilbao. No good. 2 minutes and 8 seconds remaining. Lim. Foul. Haboli.
Penalty.
Penalty.
First personal foul.
Hab-
Sabihin sa'yo, Boss Jerry.
No good.
Centro.
Second throw. It's in. 1 point lead by Vinens. Almarines. Almarines ginamit ang sprint pass to Aseo. To Bilbao.
Penalty.
Bautista, penalty.
First personal foul.
Bautista, first personal foul. It's in. Two out of two. In favor namang ng team sa pagitan ng isa. Salvador, Rumaid. No good. Rebound by Aseo. Aseo. Still. Campbell Billings ball. Escobar rebound the ball. Pass to Salvador. To Lim. Back to Salvador. Escobar. No good. Rebound by Almarines. Almarines. Lim, no good. Rebound by Aboli. Traveling violation. Venus ball.
Sa mga nasa pagitan. Tatlo.
Tatlo ang alamangan ng team sa pagita. Nakuha ni Bautista.
Second personal foul.
Second personal foul. Penalty. Bautista yung penalty.
Dalawa. Hindi siya, bully.
No good. Last throw. Ready to jump. It's in. Ano yung tulig?
25 na boy. Pasok.
Two points.
Lim. Ito pe.
23-25. Naman pa rin ang team sa pagita. Almarines fake. Foul. Who's foul?
Second personal.
Christopher Lee.
Second
Second
personal
personal foul.
Ano ubusan foul?
It's in. Last throw.
Isang crossover.
2 out of 2.
Kunyari, next time out na hindi na iwan. Diretso mo pa rin.
Salvador. Salvador speed mode.
Kasi iba yung isip mo, magpakalawa pa.
Rebound by Aboli. Bautista. Pass to Salvador. Salvador wide open shot. No good. Rebound by Aseo. Rebound by Bilbao. Foul. Bautista. Last 35 seconds.
Ano naman, Por?
It's in.
Ano ba? Namang napasumpag. Kaya na may kotong ka pa rin.
2 out of 2.
Pwede mong pa-blatter, nagtitripan yung kuya ko.
Kala ko nang bili.
Escobar. No good. Rebound by Aboli. Pass to Aseo. Wide open shot. It's
Jay yan,
in.
di ba Jay kasi yan?
Lumalayo na ang alamangan.
Ayun lang.
Pass to Bautista.
Par.
Pushing the glass.
O, ikaw dito.
12 seconds remaining.
9, 8,
7, 6, 5. Aseo. No good. 2, 1.
Masagsan. Hawkinson.
Panis Tulin. Tuladera. Drop pass. David. Lima na lang ang laman ng team sa pagita. 31-36. Haboli, post up move. Offensive foul. Haboli.
Ay, ano, wait lang. Personal foul yun. Ay, hindi sa personal foul.
Second personal foul, Haboli.
Lang ko ng team foul yun. Time out pagtapos ko.
Time out. Kuya Marines. Sigundog.
Idol, isang time out na lang kayo.
Almarines. Rebound by Haboli. No good, rebound by Almarines.
Drop ball. Delay.
Bulis by
Yun yung nga yung first ano.
Spanish. Tatlo lang ang alam mga team sa Pagita. Holt. Naghahanap ng papasahan pa si Salvador. Salvador, sinub. Nakuha ni Almarines. Salvador. First personal foul. Second free foul. Almarines no good. Rebound by Spanish. Shoot by Bilbao. Pass to Salvador. Salvador to lead. Lead wide open shot. No good. Rebound by Salvador. Salvador to Ladera. Ladera. To lead. Cancel to shoot. Traveling violation. Substitution. Pass to Salvador. Back to Escobar. Salvador shot. No good. Rebound by Haboli. Haboli. Dito ball. 33-38. 5-point lead by team sa Pagita. Tip. Pass to Lim. No good. Rebound by Haboli. Nakuha ni Lim. It's Lim. Devon kay Lim. 6 minutes and 37 seconds. Bang! Whip up. Escobar. Foul. Bilbao. First personal foul. Second full foul. Salvador tumira. No good. Rebound ni Bilbao. Block by Escobar. Block by Panis. Good win. 43-35 lang ang team PA. Ay, sa Pagita pa. Sa Pagita, sorry. Almarines. Third personal foul. Third team foul. No good. Last throw revision. 6 minutes and 2 seconds. No good. Rebound by Lim. 2 points para kay Christopher Lim. Score ay 37-43. Lamang pa rin ang team sa Pagita. Almarines. Paswas. Panis. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Team foul in the goal. Aselo. Pass to Almarines. Time out. Aselo.
Hindi sinabi sa akin eh. Hindi ko alam eh.
Nakuha ni Salvador. Easy to... Hello.
Wala naman nagsabi sa akin na ilagay ito, maglagay ito.
Nakuha ni Salvador. Foul. Bilbao.
Second personal foul.
Substitution. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Ang team sa Bagita. 43-39. Lamang ang team sa Bagita. Escobar.
Bakit?
Offensive. First personal foul. Almarines. Crossover move. Foul. Salvador. Second personal foul. Fourth. Warning. No good.
Sawahin mo kaya mga yun. Ayaw mo yan to. Bait ka naman.
Last cross. It's game.
Nakaramdaman.
Escobar. Aliyot to Panis. Apat na lang ang lamang sa Bagita. Ay, tatlo pala. Sorry. Sorry. Almarines. Tip by Panis. Nakuha niya Boli. Pump. No good. Rebound by Salvador. To Panis. Panis your step. Pass to Salvador. To Maib. No good. Rebound by Lim. One point lead. Ang Sampaguita. 44-43. Dolor. Shot. No good. Almarines. Almarines ay to move. Crossover. Kick ball. Julian's ball. Tupan. Back to Escobar. White open shot. Salvador. Escobar no good. Substitution. Penalty. Sige, pasok. Escobar. Ibang pa yung Boli. It's home. Tatlo ang alamangan ng team sa Bagita. Lim. No good. Bilbao. Almarines.
Apat na, apat. Pala, una pa lang.
Warning for graduate, Almarines.
Warning for graduate Almarines. It's good. Last throw.
Dalawa na lang.
No good. 24 seconds remaining. Mabali. Post up move. Last 15 seconds shot clock. Pass to Almarines. 10 seconds shot clock. To Bilbao. 8, 7, 6. Ateo. 2. Good. Salvador. It's under that all 46. Bilbao to Almarines. Almarines step back to Eve. No good. Rebound by Panis. Panis. Pass to San. San. To Salvador. Step back. No good. Rebound by Bilbao. Bilbao. Pass to Almarines. Almarines. No good. Rebound by Salvador. To San. San to Panis. Back to San. 5, 4, 3. Rebound by San.